Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to use Ometv on your iPhone but the camera just won't turn on, this video is for you. So whether it's your first time using the app or the camera suddenly stopped working, I will guide you through some of the simple and effective methods to get it working step by step. These are easy fixes that don't require any technical knowledge and they work on all the iOS versions in 2025. We will also cover the permissions, the app behavior, the settings that you can do that often people miss. So make sure that you follow along till the end. Also, I have added all the useful links and resources mentioned in this video in the description below, so don't forget to check that out after watching this video. Without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first method, you will have to simply just open your Ometv, and if you are prompted to allow the notifications, you just have to allow them. If you are prompted to allow the camera access, you will have to just allow that. Now if you have created your account here and now you want to get the camera access, you are not able to see that option here, you need to simply go to the settings of your iPhone. So you need to come out of your Ometv, then go to your settings, and here in the search bar you need to search for Ometv. Once you are able to find Ometv, simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will allow the Ometv to access. So here you will see the notifications, the refresh rate, the cellular data, plus you will see a camera option. So once you see camera option, you just have to turn the toggle button on right next to it. Once it turns green, it simply means that you have enabled camera access. Also, you need to make sure that you enable the microphone and the mobile data. This is going to ensure both the video and the audio work smoothly. So here you must be wondering why this actually matters. So without these two toggle button on, Ometv may launch but it won't show any video and you will only see a black screen. So after enabling, force close the app and reopen the Ometv application in order to refresh your access. Now if the issue still persists in your account, if you are not still able to get the camera option, you can try this second method in which you just have to simply just restart the app properly. So sometimes the camera permission is enabled but the application doesn't refresh it correctly. So in order to restart it, you just have to simply come out of your Ometv and you need to swipe up from the bottom and open the app switcher. Now you need to find Ometv and swipe it off the screen to close it. Now you need to simply go back to your home screen and reopen Ometv, and this forces the app to actually reload with the latest permission settings. And if your screen is still black, you can try switching between front and back camera inside the application, and it can force the feed to actually refresh. Now sometime the reinstallation can also work for you, and it is going to actually reset the app permissions as well. So if the Ometv camera is still not working, the app might be corrupted or it might be missing the key system access. So you just have to simply just long press on the Ometv's icon, and over here you will see the remove app option. So tap on the remove app option, and from here you need to simply delete your app. After that, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and over here you just have to simply search for Ometv. Now once you are able to find Ometv, you just have to simply tap on that and you need to just reinstall it. When launching, the app for the very first time is going to ask you for the camera and the mic access. So you just have to allow those, and a fresh install reset the app permissions, and it is going to clear any stored bugs or any outdated files that may be blocking the camera access. So these were some of the methods that you can try in order to fix this issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials and app fixes. Thanks for watching.